I will start by creating a new project, and here let's copy those two packages, and let's copy this code and put it here, and delete this one. And this should do it. And let's go ahead and create a new package, and move this one. And let's copy this one, and we'll have this driver that will access the data from a file, and this one that will access the data from the database, an SQLite database. So let's go here and copy those two files, the contact lenses and the weather, for the data in a file, and the SQLite jar. And we still need this one that will create and populate the database that we created in this project. So let's copy it, and let's go here and define this. And let's go to properties, so let's go ahead and create the database. And here we go. And let me test uh, run from this hard-coded data, and then we'll do the database and the file functionality. And let's make sure everything is running correctly. Okay. And here, since we will be accessing the data from the database, let's remove those. And let me copy this data and put it here. And this method will pick up the data from the database. So we will call it here for both the weather and the contact lenses database. Or tables. And let's pick up this one and put it here. And this should do it. Let's go ahead and test run accessing the data from the database. And let's try maybe this one. And let's make sure that the other table was created and can be accessed. Here we go. With the contact lenses. And since we will be picking up the data from files, let's remove this and copy this one. And this method will pick up the data from a file. So either this one, the contact lenses, or the weather file. and we will call that method uh, from here for both files. And let's copy this and put it here. And this should do it. So let's go ahead and test run it. And maybe try this one. And let's see if the other file can be accessed.